going to be going up to the top up here. See how this goes. We're going up that. Hey buddies, it's good to see y'all. Morning everybody. This morning we are out at Picacho Peak off the I-10 between Phoenix and Tucson, and we're going to be climbing the peak today, taking Sunset Vista Trail. Should be a good time. We'll get to do some climbing up some kind of ropes courses in a sense up towards the peak, and yeah, it'll be great. So stick around, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get up Picacho Peak. There's a pretty nice view of Picacho Peak. First thing in the morning, we're going to be going up to the top up here. So yeah, we got a little ways. I mean, the trail itself is 5.5 out and back, and maybe 1,700 feet of elevation. But hey, what's up, cows? Hey buddies, it's good to see y'all. Carry on. Well, that was cool. Had a little cow encounter. That was very neat. I think what I was saying though is the hike today is about 5.5 miles, 1,700 feet elevation ish, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Although last time I do recall they had a bunch of like wires and stuff you get to climb up, which is pretty fun. And oh, actually, here, see this dude and these little dudes. The last time I was here, I decided to test it and see if they really stuck, and I promise you, they really stick. I had some video of it, but long story short, it almost ended my day of hiking early, which would have been hilarious and tragic, because when I came back that day, that's when I got to see the super bloom in full effect, which was pretty amazing. This year there's no super bloom. We haven't had enough rain, but I don't know, I'm kind of hopeful. I've seen some poppies up here and there, and brittle bush is looks like it's blooming. Maybe some bluebells here and there. I don't know. We'll find out when we start heading back. All right, so it looks like we're about 2 miles in. You got some cool Palo Verdes, and welcome you to this portion of the trail. Finally looks like it might start going up a little bit. If you're thinking of doing this one, you know, honestly, in the beginning there's a little bit of up, but don't let that fool you. Right after that, it's pretty flat. So we've been making some spectacular time. One of the real nice things is the ocotillos. These guys are they're putting out their leaves, and you get that kind of reddish tinge. So pretty. Starting to see some cool little dudes like this guy. And you can see we're making our way up here. So we got that great view going. Oh, huh, looks like we're starting up with some of the wires. All right, we are going to climb this. I think what I'll do is I'll strap this thing to my chest and we'll see if you can get an idea of what's going on. All right, so we made it up. Hopefully you got to see some of that. But some people ahead of us, we're going to give them a few minutes to get up. But we're heading this way. You can see up there towards the peak a little bit more. We're almost there. Shouldn't take too long. Something you should know with Picacho Peak, anytime you go, there's going to be people. So just be prepared for that. It's not going to be like a communing with nature kind of thing. It's just going to be a fun climb and, you know, some nice views. So just like these. Well, we're through all the first ropes area. Now we're going up there. You can kind of see the start of the bridge up here. All right, just try to strap you to my chest again. See how this goes. We're going up that. Then once you're done with all the ropes, just kind of up again, some loose rock. Not too big of a deal. All right, we were just up on Picacho Peak, right there. I think I showed you some of the views. It's pretty great. I met some fellow social media people, which is pretty awesome. There's a lot of people up there, but that's pretty normal. So I decided to take a little side trail, see what's up here, and check it out. Oh, that's pretty cool. Gotta get a different peak. Hey, it's my shadow. Wow. Okay. It's cool. Got this little side trail going on. It's a short little climb up. Kind of some nice views. Maybe not nicer, but nice. You can see where all the cars are. I don't know if I'm parked down there. It must be. I see lines of people coming up. Oh no, that's the other way. I'm on the other side. Well, whatever. Either way. Normally I would probably eat lunch now or sign off, but two things. Number one, it's super early. It only took about an hour and a half to get up here. So I'm not hungry. So I'll probably go down and have lunch down there. Number two, I'm not going to sign off just yet because I'm really hoping those flowers are going to start to be open. It was an amazing sight the one year with the super bloom. The valley was just carpeted with yellow and blue and orange flowers. Even from up here, now you can see now, you don't see color. You see our normal gorgeous desert colors. Even from up here last year, yellow, blue, I mean, it was just gorgeous. But yeah, we're gonna start heading down. We'll see what's down there. There's some flowers. Oh, I'm really not seeing a whole lot of flowers right now. There's these really pretty yellow flowers which are coming up here in a second, and the pretty yellow guys on the creosote. So there's some white dudes like this, very pretty. Some little purple guys. Oh, look at that. How cool is that deal? Little baby saguaro in its nurse plant. Just adorable. Seeing a lot of these guys. Sorry about my shadow. Some pretty glorious bushes along those lines. You get a little bit of color looking around. But realistically, it doesn't seem like we're going to get a whole lot more than what I just showed you. Oh, here. As if to prove me wrong. So, I think I'm going to sign off now. I hope you had a good time today. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel. Oh, hold on a second. Right in the middle of it. There's some cool. Oh, awesome. Look how awesome. They're starting to flower. Yeah. That's like the best time of year when these buds open during the day like this. You know, that's the first one I've seen this whole time. So I guess season's just getting started, which is great. I mean, it's the best time. You're just out here And you know, those dudes are going with the red flowers, and you got the yucca with the white flowers, and I mean all the cactus just blooming. The saguaros open up with their flowers, which is just absolutely gorgeous. White flowers. I can't wait. All right, so as I was saying, like, subscribe, do all those things, and I hope to see you in the next one. And until then, happy hiking.